life. Plants, like any other living being, the plant body is also made up of different parts. All these parts perform different vital functions to keep the plant alive and produce tiny new plants. Parts of a plant. A plant can be divided into two parts, the shoot and the root. The aerial part that lies above the ground that grows upwards is called the shoot. The shoot consists of stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. The part of the plant that grows below the ground is called the root. Parts of a plant: shoot system and root system. In shoot system we can find flower, leaf, fruit, stem. Flower helps in reproduction. Leaf performs photosynthesis. Fruit protects the seeds. Stem supports the plants. Root system. Root absorbs water and minerals. Root. The underground part of the plant is called root. Root fixes the plant firmly into the ground. They spread out in the soil and hold the plant tightly. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil, which are then passed to the rest of the plant via the stem. Roots bind the soil together with the plant, keeping it at one place. Therefore, the soil does not get easily washed away by water or blown away by wind. Roots store food in some plants such as carrot, radish, etc. These plants have thick and swollen roots that store extra food. We use such roots as food. Types of roots. There are mainly two types of roots. Taproot. Taproot is a long, thick root attached to the stem. This is the main root and it goes very deep into the ground. Many thinner roots grow out from this main root. Plants like bean, tea, people, etc. have taproots. Fibrous root. In a fibrous root, there is no main root. A group of equal-sized roots are attached to the end of the stem. A fibrous root usually does not go very deep into the soil. Wheat, rice, grass, etc. have fibrous roots. Stem. Stem is the main part of the shoot. Stems support the plant above the ground and keeps it upright. The stem carries water and minerals absorbed by the roots to all parts of the plants. It carries food from the leaves to different parts of the plant. Some stems also store food such as sugarcane, potato, ginger, etc. Stems like potato and ginger are underground stems. Types of stems. Tree trunk. The stem of big tree is strong, thick and woody. Such stem is called a trunk. For example, neem, mango, etc. Shrubs. Shrubs have thin and woody stems. For example, rose and China rose. Herbs. Herbs have weak, soft and green stems. For example, tomato, wheat and berry. Climbers and creepers. Some plants have very weak stems which cannot hold up a plant. They stay upright with the help of some support. Such plants are called climbers. For example, money plant. On the other hand, some plants with weak stems spread on the ground. These are called creepers. Leaves. A leaf is one of the most important part of a plant. Most plants bear green leaves. Leaves are of different shapes and sizes. The flat part of the leaf is called the lamina. It has tiny veins that distribute water and food throughout the leaf. A leaf has many tiny pores on the other side called stomata. Singular stoma. Exchange of gases takes place through the stomata. Stomata can be only seen under a microscope. Functions of leaf. Green leaf prepare food for the plant using chlorophyll, the green color pigment, and in this process leaves give out oxygen also. This whole process is called photosynthesis. Exchange of gases takes place through stomata present on the leaves. Some leaves like mint and cabbage store extra food in them. We eat these leaves. Flowers. The flower is the colored and most beautiful part of a plant. Different plants have flowers differing in color, size, shape, and fragrance. Uses of flowers. Fragrance. Flowers of some plants are used to make perfumes. Example, rose, jasmine, etc. Decoration. Flowers are used for decoration during festivals, functions, and weddings. We make bouquets, garland, and rangolis with flowers. Food. Flowers of some plant used as food like cauliflower, broccoli, and banana. Spices. Spices like turmeric, chili, clove, saffron, etc. are obtained from buds of flowers. Saffron or kesar is obtained from crocus flower. Cloves are dried flower buds. Pollination. Pollination plays an important role in the reproduction of flowers. It is the process of transfer of pollens from male part of a plant to the female part of a plant, enabling fertilization and hence the production of seeds. Pollination occurs due to insects moving from one plant to another. After pollination, the flower becomes fruit. Fruits. Fruits are the main site of storage in a plant. We eat them as they are full of nutrients. Fruits also bear seeds. Seeds. Seeds contain baby plants and get nourishment from the fruit. There could be any number of seeds in a fruit. Some fruits like mango, cherry, lychee have only one seed. Other fruits like papaya and watermelon have many seeds inside them. When the seeds get water, air and warmth, they grow into new plants. Important information about plants. The two main parts of the plants are the root and shoot. The root remains underground and the shoot grows above the ground. The root fixes the plant in the soil and stores food in some plants. Roots are of two kinds, taproot and fibrous root. The stem supports the plant and bears branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. The green leaves make food using sunlight, water, minerals and carbon dioxide with chlorophyll. By the process of photosynthesis, flowers grow into fruits. Let's learn how to grow plants. Take a bowl, keep some wet cotton in it, spread some moong dal or bean seeds on it. Keep it in a warm place. Make sure that the cotton remains moist, wet, but do not pour too much water. After a few days, you will see some small plants, seedlings growing from the seeds, day 1 and day 4. Thank you.